medicine. So now today I'm going to show you a delicious and healthy recipe called pumpkin kheer. So let's get started. To make the pumpkin kheer, we need some fresh thick coconut milk, some jaggery, condensed milk, half cup of poha, grated pumpkin and pumpkin seeds, a pinch of salt, cardamom powder and badam milk powder. Then let's get started. First take a mixing bowl and add the coconut milk. And the jaggeries. And the salt. And stir it well. Let the jaggery mix well. Next add the badam powder and the cardamom powder. Now mix it well. Next add the condensed milk. It is completely optional. You can also add even honey. Next add the washed poha. Next add the grated pumpkins. Now mix it well. Let's wait for half an hour. After 30 minutes, it will become like a cream because the poha has soaked well and give it creamy texture. Now add the pumpkin seed to make very crunchy. You can also add dry fruits to it. Okay, let's serve it. See, I have salt in a small pot. It is looking cool now. I'm going to taste it. Tasty, yummy and healthy. Try it in your home. Please let me know my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.